Hi, I came across your website and I just want to comment that your website looks really expert. And all the informations are new here and there are a lot of things to read and yeah, and also videos. I can see it and yeah, it's a good one. Wow. Okay, so impressive. Anyway, so now let's take a look what's happened online as far as what people on the Google search or see. Let's take a look at the customer looking for your service would see on Google and what wait, I'm gonna show it to you. What we're looking right now, it's a ranking grid. This is a ranking grid. Wow, you have a really good ranking here. So as you can see, you are number one right here in the middle. A lot of cities here, and also, um, but it drops off quickly on the other side. So one of our suggestions we are giving business on this right now is to put another profile and uh, another website in another corner of the city right here for you to, want to grow into. Let us take a quick look to see how you are ranking. As you can see, let me check. You are here. Wow, you're number four ranked. So there are also three companies above you who are also giving service the same as you. And overall, this is your rank. This is where your position is an entire area. So, what we think or what we can suggest, like I said before, is another website and another business Google profile and this corner. And we're going to send you an example of a website that we built as a test model that we could brand for you and help you put up another profile to get you more jobs or more works. And if you have any inquiries or, you know, if you're interested, please let us know by sending us an email. And we're going to assist you quickly. Thank you so much.